Hello everyone, I finally met it too. Okay, I've been dreaming about this getaway for so long, and I am taking you guys along with me for the next 24 hours. Let's go. First stop, I hit it straight to Merbabu View. Just look at this view. The photo online don't do it justice. The energy here is incredible. After walking around and entering their signature rice egg, honestly, a 10 out of 10. You can visit this place without trying it. The best part about staying here is just how chill everything feels. If spend the last hour just wandering through the train and soaking in the floor, it's exclusive. The reason I submit some local who recorded I can out Gua Maria Ketep. So that where we go next. It's been an almost perfect day. My heart is so full. If you are looking for a saint-completed trip, this is part. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more.